What's the meaning of cull? Cull. Cull.
Cull. Cull. The word cull typically means to select or choose something from a larger group, often with the intention of removing or discarding those that are considered inferior or unwanted. In a more specific sense, culling can refer to the process of selectively removing certain animals or plants from a population in order to control their numbers and improve overall health. The result of culling may vary depending on the context, but it often involves reducing the total number of individuals or elements within a given group or population.